Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Enzo Ferrari. Practically, this is named after their founder Enzo Ferrari, and this is by Maisto, and this is their metal series. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So again, the windows are not transparent. It's just block of plastic, which I personally don't like. So I really do want to see the interiors, which practically Hot Wheels does really good, and even Majorette does really good. Even Tamika really does really good in this perspective for the same price range. Okay, again, the headlights and tail lights both are like painted, and again they are using the same set of wheels for the entire lineups. So it does it does decent amount of detailing, but it's not like crazy stuff or anything here, which you see in even the Hot Wheels or even in Majorettes or even in Tamikas. So that's it for today guys. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. That would help me in putting out a lot more content like this. So consider subscribing, and thank you for watching this video, and have a great day guys. Goodbye and thank you.